Standard 8, Subject English, Lesson 4.5, A Battle to Baffle. Good morning, children. Today we are going to read a skit called Battle to Baffle. Characters: Tenali Raman, a witty poet jester in the court of Emperor Krishnadevaraya. Krishnadevaraya, Emperor of Vijayanagar Empire. Pandit Sahani, a highly learned visiting scholar. Mantriji, the chief minister. 8 to 10 other courtiers, ministers, scholars. Scene: the courtroom of Krishnadevaraya. The emperor is seated on his throne. Courtiers, scholars, ministers are seated in two rows facing one another and discussing softly. Mantriji, standing up and bowing, Your Royal Highness, I have some urgent news to convey. May I have your kind permission to announce it? Emperor, Yes, Mantriji, you may. Mantriji, Maharaj, a very great scholarly Pandit, Pandit Sahane, has arrived here. He has mastered all our scriptures and has won great renown all over India. Emperor, he must be a truly brilliant Pandit. Mantriji, very true, Maharaj. What's more, Pandit Sahane has come here to challenge all the Pandits in our kingdom. He is visiting our courtroom. Emperor, challenge the knowledge of our Pandits? I am not sure. Who all among you can take up this daring test of defiance? Come forth. Emperor, not one of you can face the Pandit. I am ashamed of all of you. I shall debar you from my court. I have never felt more disgusted. In fact, I shall sentence you all to. First scholar. Excuse me, Maharaj. I have a suggestion. I humbly seek your permission to voice it. Emperor, what is it? I had better be a good one, or you shall be the first one to be exiled from Vijayanagar. First scholar, thank you, Your Majesty. I am confident. Let us send for Tenali Raman. He will certainly find a solution to this predicament. Second scholar, that's an excellent idea. Let us call Tenali Raman. He shall certainly put us out of this tight corner. Emperor, summon Tenali Raman at once. A guard leaves and fetches Tenali Raman. Enter Tenali Raman, bowing to the emperor. Tenali Raman, I am to your service, Your Highness. Your wish is my command. Emperor, tomorrow Pandit Sahane, a most well-read, well-known scholar, is coming to our court to challenge our Pandits. All of them here are defended of talking him up. They have recommended you to outwit the challenger. Will you accept it? Tenali Raman, most certainly, Your Majesty. Let me assure you that I shall not let you down. But I have a small request. When Pandit Sahane arrives tomorrow, all must accept me and honor me as the chief Pandit for one day. Mantriji, we certainly will, and I shall see to it that you are brought in with honors. Emperor, court dismissed. All exit after the emperor does. Next day, courtiers etc. are seated. Emperor's arrival is announced. As per protocol, all stand up and bow as the emperor proceeds and takes up his place. Emperor, be seated. Mantriji, with your permission, Your Royal Highness, may I call the great Pandit Sahane and Pandit Tenali Raman? Emperor. Yes, let them be brought forth at once. Mantriji. Your Highness, this is Pandit Sahane, the most revered and honored master scholar of our ancient scriptures, the pride of India. Mantriji. And now may I announce the greatest of great scholar in Vijayanagar, the Chief Pandit Tenali Raman. Emperor. All of you be seated. Let the Pandits begin the debate. Tenali Raman. Let us begin by discussing the merits of Tilakashta Mahisha Bandhana. Pandit Sahane. What? What was that? Tenali Raman. Let us debate on the virtues of the scriptures. Tilakashta Mahisha Bandhana. Pandit Sahane. I have read thousands of scholarly works in Sanskrit, but I have never even heard of. What was that name? Tila Bandhana? Something like that? How can I discuss its merits? Pandit Sahane. I give up 1,000 apologies. Your Highness, I have not read the scripture that Tenali Raman mentions. I concede defeat. Tenali Raman is the greatest of all scholars. Emperor. I am proud of you and grateful for saving the reputation and honor of our great empire. Let me reward you. Tenali Raman. Your words of praise are my greatest reward, Your Highness. Emperor. But tell me, Raman, to what great work did you refer? Tenali Raman. Maharaj, Til is sesame. Kashta is a stick. So, Tila Kashta refers to the sticks or stems of sesame plants that you see in my hands. This is a rope used to tie up buffaloes. Mahisha means a buffalo. Bandhana is the rope used to tie up something. So this is the Tilakashta Mahisha Bandhana. Emperor laughing loudly. So the Pandit got scared when he heard such a complicated name. Laughs again. Everyone joins in the laughter. Curtain falls. Thank you.